What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video we are going to build my first video editing / gaming PC, and all of the things that I'm going to use on this build is going to be on link on description. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing all of this stuff. And if you guys like building your custom PC, give your thoughts on comments down below. So yes, let's start unboxing. Let's start with the case. Nice. Wow. So this is a case by Xigmatek. The model name is Aquarius Plus. So yes, I'm going to use this case for my build. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the motherboard. So this is MSI X570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi. This is 3900X. Okay. Okay. So this is the deal. So let's unbox rest of the box. What do I get? So I have manual, which is stock. I don't know why. So yes, manual. And AMD is cooler. So I'm not using any third-party cooler at this moment. I will be upgrading on those sooner or later. But on this build, I'm going to use the fan that AMD provides, which is pretty decent, that I came to know. So now let's put the processor in the motherboard. Okay. That's the first step. Now I need to handle this processor really carefully. I should not touch the back side or the front side of this processor. There is this tiny triangle which I need to align with the triangle which is in the motherboard itself. Okay, that was a nice fit. Now the thing that I need to do. Okay. The processor is on. Yeah, boy. The processor is on its place. My lord, that was so hard thing to do. Nice. Nice. This is so hard to take off, man. I don't want to break anything. So now let's put this board on the case. So finally, the board is on its place. Now let's add our graphics card. Let's unbox this. So I am using 2060super for this build. And I am using NGXT 850 watt power supply. So this is the power supply, 850 watt.
And and align the holes of the storage devices, you'll need to know what cables are needed to connect.
We're halfway into the build. That was season. So yes, the build is completed. So it looks so nice. But I'll show you guys something. This is a remote that I got with the case, from which I can control all of the RGBs. Look at that. It's rainbow puke. Now let me give you red. You guys wanna see green? I give you green. I give you blue. My lord, that's all kind of color in this thing. I can do night thing where it go do that blinky stuff like stars. This is so dope. And I got red. A rainbow puke, bro. So yes, the build is completed, and it was a nice experience building my own PC, which looks so dope, in my opinion. You guys be the judge. You guys might have seen the montage. So yes. So at last, I would like to share some of the things that I felt while I was building this PC. The cable management, which is one of the most tiring and one of the most frustrating things that you have to do while you build your own PC. All of the wires that is dangling around, you don't know what goes where. So it is a mess of a thing that you have to manage. So I do not want to show you guys how I cable manage my thing, my CPU, because it is a mess. So I am learning that you guys also need to think about how you will manage your wire. So all of the wires down there is a spaghetti, so I need to manage all of those stuff. So enough talking, now let me get back to the masterpiece that I made, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Namaste, stay safe. Bye bye. आगे बोले
लो नीलो अब हरियो अब रातो आयो त लो हो जाने मैले अब पहेँलो अब कालो मैले बत्ती जुन थियो त्यही बोल्ने हो
कसला तपाईँलाई
हाँ
कसला
राम्रो लाग्यो देखेका थिएँ